So another common question I get all the time is like, what is a 3U? What does that mean? What is a 4U? What is a 6U? What is an 8U? Like, no one knows what that actually means. Here I have a few rackets. I have an Alp Sports racket because it was the only 3U racket I have. This is the Alp Power, supposedly 3U G5. We will weigh it and we will find out. We have a 4U, Astrox 88S Pro 3rd Gen for sale. Please buy it from me. We have a Nano Fusion Apex 6U, also for sale. And then we have a ProTech Airlight 10U, also for sale. So basically the scale is every time you go down a number or up a number, I guess, the weight should go down 5 grams. So meaning 3U would be 90 grams to 85 grams, a 4U is 85 to 80 grams, 5U 80 to 75, so on and so forth. You also have to remember though, the weight of the strings count. The stringing adds about 3 grams and typically one overgrip typically adds another 3 to 4 grams. So we're just gonna weigh these and you guys will kind of see a difference. So again, this is an Alp Sports 3U G5. We'll weigh it, and as you can see, right, this is 98 grams, so very heavy, and just feels very heavy, right? We have an Astrox 4U, 84 grams, so already, right, this grip is quite thick. I'm concerned about quality control issues because this is, you know, a low-end brand, so this actually might be on the heavier side in general, but this just feels ridiculous. Like 100 grams for comparison is just very heavy for a racket. Training rackets start at 120 grams and up, so malapit na ito. I think that's actually why we hated this racket when we trained or when we tried with it. This one is ungripped and unstrung, so let's just add 5 grams for the string and the grip. 78 grams, and then you add plus 5, right? Yeah, and then we have 10U, but this has string already on it, but no grip. So let's add like another 3 grams for what the grip would be like. Look at that, that's crazy. 58 grams, so plus grip 61 grams. So basically 2 of these could be like one Alp Sports 3U. Like these numbers don't really mean anything because like they're just numbers, right? You guys have no sensation for what they actually mean until you go out and try different rackets of these different weight classes. Most people, even up to pro level, just use 4U. I recommend not going any lower than 6U. And 6U really is only for like beginners, in my opinion, like absolute beginners that are also physically weak. Club players would be very happy with like a 5U, head heavy, medium flex racket. And then if you're a little bit stronger or a little bit more advanced, you can probably move up to something 4U. 3U is kind of dying out. It really just isn't needed. The game is so fast now, but this is more ranty stuff anyways. This is how you can kind of tell the difference between weight classes. So when someone says 4U, like it should feel this heavy. If someone says 5U, it should be this heavy, right? Hope this was helpful. See you guys.